Hey guys, today I want to share with you this amazing soundbar for TV. It is 32 inches long and guys, it has a very high quality sound. It has two different types of connection. One of them is wireless because it has a Bluetooth 5.0 type of connection where you're going to be able to plug it into either your cell phone or also your laptops. And guys, you can also do it via wires. And for that, you are going to find an optical fiber cable as well as a coaxial or RCA type of cable. And for a very nice and elegant setup, guys, you're gonna be able to wall mount this soundbar. And for that, of course, you're gonna find all the necessary screws to do so. And finally, guys, to control all of the functions of this amazing soundbar, you're gonna find this remote control that is also included in the package. So I really hope you will enjoy this amazing product, guys, and I will see you next time. Bye.